I saw your name light up my phone, right when the night felt empty. I was a room full of shadows and static, just trying to make it through. You said you were tired of the same old hurt. I said me too, I know it. Two cracked hearts talking in the dark, like they might still learn to glow when there are no words